Who would have thought to put cucumbers in boiling hot water and blanch them? Out of the pot comes a delicious dish that's hard to find even in a big hotel. After watching this video, I promise you'll learn another great dish. First, prepare cucumbers picked fresh from the vines. Wash them twice under running water to remove any dirt from the surface. After washing, cut off the ends with a knife, then slice each cucumber in half. Place them on a plate. Next, prepare half an onion. Slice it into thin strips, then chop into large pieces. Set it aside on a plate. Take a handful of garlic and chop it into minced garlic. Cut a few chili peppers into rings and place them on a small plate. Prepare a handful of coriander, cut off the roots, and chop it into sections about 1 meter long. Prepare 88 pieces of peanuts. Pour them directly into a pan, add a bit of cooking oil, and stir-fry slowly over low heat for about 5 minutes. Once they're crispy and golden, remove them and let them cool naturally on a plate. Pour water into a pot and bring it to a boil over high heat. Add the cucumbers to blanch. Boiling cucumbers removes bitterness, enhances crispiness, and kills bacteria, making them healthier to eat. Blanch for just 15 seconds. No longer. Then remove and cool them quickly. Don't throw away the water used to blanch the cucumbers. Add black fungus and chrysanthemum greens, along with 2 eggs. Boil on high heat for 2 minutes. Once the ingredients are cooked, remove and cool them. Tear the black fungus into smaller pieces and place on a plate. After draining the chrysanthemum, plate it as well. Take the cooled cucumber and gently smash it with a knife to help it absorb flavor. Then cut it into large chunks and place them in a big bowl. Peel the boiled eggs, cut them in half, then again into quarters, and add to the bowl with the cucumber. Add in the chrysanthemum, black fungus, onion, coriander, and peanuts. Sprinkle in 18 Sichuan peppercorns and pour hot oil over the ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a dash of fresh seasoning, 188 grains of salt, and 58 grains of sugar. If you enjoy spicy food, you can add chili oil as well. Put on disposable gloves and mix everything thoroughly to ensure the flavors blend evenly. Friends, the video has come to an end. It's not easy to make these videos, so if you found this one helpful, please like and share it. Thank you so much for your support. The chrysanthemum dish made this way looks incredibly appetizing and delicious. It features a variety of ingredients, making it both nutritious and satisfying to many different tastes. The cucumber and onion are crisp and refreshing, with a tangy, mouth-watering flavor. If you like it, be sure to save the recipe and try it at home.